To overhaul the air start valve, dismantle it from the cylinder head. Remove air start valve plug. Remove split pin from tightening nut of the valve. Remove the nut. Take out the distance piece and remove the piston. Remove spring and spring seat of the valve. Pull valve rod from the other side. Clean all the components in kerosene. Lap the air start valve with a fine grinding paste. Assemble the valve on the cylinder head. Do not over-tie the nut. Fit the split pin and divide it carefully so that it does not obstruct the movement of the valve.